new design file right here, the blue button, and clicking on drafts option. First we'll make a frame right here, as I told you yesterday. Make a frame of Android large, right? Now today we are going to need two frames. One frame will be for the image that we are going to copy on the another frame. So first make this frame, and we need to import the screenshot of Amazon clone app that we are going to replicate today. So go to this option right here, fill. Now we don't need to fill the frame with the color section. We need an image. That's why we need to click on the image option right here. After clicking on it, just choose the image right here on the text box. While choosing, you need to choose the format image that I have sent you on the chat. It may look like this. Now we need one more frame. Just click on the frame option right here and choose Android large. You will be able to see another frame just beside the frame that we have made right now. Now we are going to replicate this design on this frame. We'll begin with making the divisions, different kind of divisions, and giving it gradient colors or whatever images they have shown right here. So first we will begin with the head part. So for that you can see there is a blue kind of gradient part right here. So we'll replicate it right there on our frame. So first you choose the shape option, that is rectangle. Now you can make a rectangle right here about same shape. Right? If anyone has any doubt, they can say it right now, like whenever you want. Don't wait for the time when I'll ask you, so that you can play with us. Now we need to give the gradient color to it, like the one we have on the left side. So just go to fill option right here. Now we need to select gradient, because right here you can see a type of bluish, and here it's like kind of cyan color. So we need to select gradient right here beside solid. You will be able to see this type of function. Now the gradient that is shown on the image is horizontal, so we need to make this horizontal. So just click on the circle that is above and drag it towards your left, and click on the below circle and drag it to your right, like this. Now we need to give colors that we are able to see right here. So this side replicates this color, so we need to change that color. So we have to tap on this option right here. So right now we can't choose the color manually because we need to replicate this. So we will just use this option, that is drop fill. The color, it will choose automatically the color that we will click on. So just click on this option and click on the blue part that is right here, and it will automatically give this color to our frame. Now similarly select the another box for the cyan color and click right here, then the drop fill option, and just choose this color right here to give a gradient shade like this. You can see we have made a gradient color just similar to the image we have taken. Now we can see a thin strip right here that is not gradient but is above this gradient part. So we'll take one more shape right here, rectangle, one more division that is used for our address part. Just click right here and drag it to make it filled up till your right side. Now we need to give this color little bit like 50% intensity. We can say it as opacity color. So just click right here, fill options to change its color, and just bring this intensity circle to 50% or kind of 45 to 50%. So you'll be able to replicate the same strip that is given for the address part, right? Any doubts still here? Okay, so now we'll go for the last part right here, the down section. Just make one more rectangle. Change the color to pure white. We'll give icons later once we'll open Iconify plugin. I hope you guys have downloaded the Iconify plugin yesterday. So let's open the plugin right here. Right click, then go to plugins and click on Iconify. We are going to import kind of half of the icons that we need right now only, so that we don't need to open this plugin every time we need. So first we are able to see search icon, right? So just search for search icon. We'll be able to see these options right here. Just click on the one you like and keep the color as black, and just click on the import icon option. When it says imported icon, then it has already imported your icon right here.
Second PPT చేయాలని నా దగ్గర లేదు.
Now
MS లేదు.
we need another icon, that is capture. So just search for capture. You can see right here, that is similar to the one right here. You can take any color you want, but it's like gray, so I'll take gray only. Click on import icon, then search for mic. You will be able to get these options. Select any that you want, then click on import icon. Don't forget to import the icon, guys, or else you will be just selecting it and you won't be able to import it. Now we need another icon, that is the delivery one or the location part. I'll choose this one and color as black. Import, then the drop down option, right here, choose color as gray, and we'll also take one icon for the battery that is given right here. We don't need this above part, but just for your reference we can take battery. Color black and just import it. Okay, so now we have got all the icons that we need for our header part. So yeah, first we need to make the search bar, right? So just click on the rectangle option, shape rectangle. Now drag the rectangle and make it suitable as you want. Can increase its length from the edges, change its color to pure white, and yeah, right here you can see that the search bar has round radius, so we'll change its corner radius, that is till I guess 10 or something. Yeah, 5 is good enough. Yeah, and the search bar also has a drop shadow effect, so we need to scroll this down to effects part. Just click on effects, choose the drop shadow option, click on the sun part that is beside it, and you can change its color by clicking right here. Don't change its color, let it be black, just you can increase the intensity if you want, and you can also blur it by dragging it towards your right. So yeah, make the positions here similar to the images. So now we need to bring the icons above the search bar, that is the search icon first. Now just drag it towards the search bar, and yeah, you can see the error. Bring it to the front, so just right click on that and click on bring to front. Now you can increase its length or increase its height also as you want. I'll keep it as it is. Now we need to give the text bar, that is search amazon.in. So go to T right here and click on T and come to the search bar and click right here. We'll show your cursor and just type whatever matter is here, that is search amazon.in. Yeah, so now we need to change the font, not the font, the font size. So go right here, see, can you see regular? Just go beside it. You can see a number that is 12 or anything that you can see on your laptops. So just change it to 16, I guess. Yeah, 16 or 17, anything. Yeah. Now we can see that the text that we have given is black in color and it's gray right here. So we need to change the text color too. So just go down and click on the fill option right here, the black color, and change its color to gray. And position it well. Yeah. So the next icon is the capture icon that you may have imported, I guess. Now drag it and bring it right here. Again the same error, so we need to bring it to front. Just position it as it is given on the image. Now the mic option, drag it again towards its position and place it and bring it to front. We need to position it towards right top. Bring it to front. Guys, do you know when I'm clicking on bring it to front, what changes are done right here? Do you know? Can someone tell me? When I click bring it to front right here, so what changes are done on your left section? Can someone tell me?
It essentially brings it to the topmost layer.
Yeah. When the icon is not able to come above the frame, that means that division is outside the frame. But when I click bring to front, that division comes under the frame. That means it's inside the frame. So now it's like 84%. So just click on T, that is text, and type 84%. Change the font size to 12, not 12, 10 I guess. Yeah. And the date section too. Just click on text T and click right here where you want to place the date. Sorry, time. Make sure that the time and the battery is in one line. Now we need to do the address section. Click on the locate icon and drag it towards the left part of the frame and click bring it to front. Now we need to type the address too, right here. Just click on T text and type deliver to, type your name dash any city you want and its pin code. Now we need to change the font size. Just go towards your right section and you can see 10 or 12 whatever it's given right here and change it to 10 like this. No, me 14. Yeah, 14 is here. So once it's done, then position it similar to the image. Now we need to place the drop down arrow after the address. Bring it to the front. Increase its size if you want. Yeah. So now we'll make this division right here. And for this division, I have sent you a file called UI/UX zip folder. So in that, I have given you all these images. So you need to keep it aside while doing this section. So first we'll give the color gradient effect that it's given right here. So first we need to make this section rectangle shape. Just drag it to complete the front. Now we need to again give this section gradient color. So go to fill option right here and gradient option right here beside solid. Now thing is, there are only two colors right here, and right here we have three colors, right? Orange, white and green. So can someone tell me how to do this part? How to bring three colors in a gradient effect?
It is the stops one. Where it stops.
See, you can see a line right here, right? You just have to go to the section where you need the third color and just click on it. It will automatically make a third color option right here in between. First you need to change the first color, so select it and click right here and change it to orange, but we'll take it from here so that it looks similar to this image. Use this option, drop fill. Then this is pure white, so you can do it yourself. And the third color is green. So again choose the drop fill option and go to the image and click on the green part. It will give you a three color grading section, right? Are you able to do this, guys? Now we need to bring these icons, right? These buttons, they are circle, ellipse, right? So we need to choose ellipse right now, not the rectangle. Choose ellipse and make one. Make it around 40 by 40, not 40, 45. Width should be 45 right here and height should be also 45, so that it maintains right radius. Now we need to give this ellipse a image. So you guys may get the UI/UX zip file folder, right? So use the first image that I have given, named as 1. Go to image option. You will be able to see these checks and choose image right here, and then select one image that I have given in the UI/UX zip folder. Right? you will be able to see like this. You can change its size if you want. Now we don't need to make ellipse many times. So what we need to do is just click on this and copy it and paste it. You may able to see like similar image, but don't worry, we can change the image anytime we want. So just make I guess five icons. So we need 5 icons. Make sure that they are equidistant to each other. Figma has one function where like it can show that how much distance is between each icon and if you are able to keep it equidistant or not. So that's a great feature in Figma. So once you have all the 5 ellipses in one section, now we will change the images on each icon by choosing the image on it. For second, choose the second image named as 2. For third, choose the third image that is named as 3. Once done with this, we will name all the icons under it. Make sure that 5 icons are there in the section equidistant to each other and position it well. Leave some space below it so that you can add text below it. Now we'll add the text that are given. So just click on text and then type here. First one is deals, right? Type deals and just position it below the ellipse. Make sure it's not very near or close to the ellipse or the border. Now just copy the text every time and paste below all the icons. We'll change the text together. Make sure all the texts are at the same height so that it looks uniform. Now we'll change the text. Double click on the text and just press backspace and change the text. Double tap, backspace, change the text. And once you can see that the text is not uniform, then you can position again right so that it looks uniform. Yeah. So we are done with the second section too. So I've given this image too. So for that you just need to select one more division, that is rectangle shape, and then drag it till here. Now we need to give the image that is uh, named as maybe 6 in the folder. Yeah, it's given 6. Yeah. So once you have given this section, now we'll proceed to the third section where different sections are like advertisements combined to each other, like scrolling part, horizontal scrolling. So first we'll make this part, that is the yellow portion. So first we'll take a rectangle and we'll drag it right here. Now we need to change its color, right? So go to fill option right here, and you can give your own color, yellow or anything, but I will take the same color, so I will use drop fill and click on this part so that it gives same color. Now similarly we need 4 buttons right here, so we need the same ellipse buttons. So just you can copy from here, paste it right here. For make sure there are 4 icons. And whenever you are copying these ellipses, they don't be like their names are same, but it's like they give serial number to each copied portion. So for example, right here you can see I copied these 4 ellipses. It has automatically given 6, 7, 8, 9 number, because in a page if you bring 2 divisions or icons as same number, then the UI UX design consider it as the same thing, and which is like an issue if you do prototyping part. So to avoid that, it automatically gives different serial number. Now we need to change the image inside it. So just click on the fill option right here, image, choose the image. Now you have to choose 7 number image in the folder that I have given you. It will be shown as pay, I guess. Yeah, pay. Now click choose image on the second icon and continue like that until all your icons have images, right images according to the image. Yeah, so now you can see this division right here also has corner radius. Right here you can see it's soft edge, so you also need to give this division right here. Just click on it and drag it towards your right until it's 5, or you can also change the number right here by yourself. 5. So it will give corner radius 5 to that division. Now we need to add the text, that is Amazon Pay, send money, right here under each icon. So just click on T text and click right here, Amazon Pay. Guys, have you noticed that when we are writing a text field, it doesn't give its name as a text field, but it names the text field what we are writing. Like for example, here I have written Amazon Pay, so the text is also given the name Amazon Pay, so that every text has uniqueness in them. You can copy the text like we did right here, or you can manually choose the text any way you want. Position all the text in such a way that they don't. Yeah, so for that we need to change the font size, right? So make the font size as 12. All the font size as 12 so that they don't overlap each other. Just name all the icons according to the image. Guys, if you have any doubts or issues, you can ask me right now. Or keep it on chat box.
No.
Yeah, so we are done with this division right here. We'll make one more division, that is rectangle right here. And it should be having an equal height like the one beside it, that is the yellow one. Just give it a color similar to the noise division. Sorry, we don't need to import the color, we need to import the image right here. Choose image, that is I guess 11 in your folder. And if you see closely, it also has corner radius, so we'll give it corner radius too. Can give it manually. Yeah, and right here you can see that on the border there is orange, white and green, right? But we don't have it, so we can also do that option. We need to go to stroke option, click on the stroke, and here you can see black color. You just have to click on it. Now you can see there is no single color, there are like 3 gradient color, that is orange, white and green. So we need to select gradient option right here. After selecting gradient, you can see these two, and remember that I told you if we want the third color, we can just click on the line wherever we want the third color, and we can change the color by clicking on it right here. We'll do it manually. First one was orange, right? Then second color, click right here or right here, anywhere if you want. Then second color was white, and the third color was green, right here. Yeah. So I guess almost similar to this one. It's dark green. Anyways, you can change whatever you want. And yeah, we have completed with this section too. If you see closely that Amazon has used this color gradient stripe on each of its small buttons right here too, the circle ones that we haven't done. So you can do it yourself because I have explained it to you right here now. So it will be relevant to you. Now we need one more rectangle section that is not visible like 100%, but it's like under the mobile screen. So we need to go to rectangle shape. You don't have to make a rectangle like this. This is the wrong way to do it because this is not a whole section, right? This is just a part of section that is visible to us. So what do we need to do is first you need to make a right size of the section. Say for example, maybe that advertisement will be of this size, right? After this, you need to bring it on the frame, so it will automatically go under the frame, means under the background, and slowly you have to push it inside the frame so that it shows the whole size of the division, but only the part that is visible to us on the frame. This is the correct way you place a division. So we won't give that image because we don't have it completely. So let it do it like that. We'll just change the border radius. Make sure that the height is equal to all the divisions right here. How will you able to see that? When you bring at a certain level, then you can see crosses on each division. That means that the height is equal to all the divisions, so they all are equal heighted. Right here we had this shape of image, so we'll just keep the size of this division till this much only because we just have this image with us, so that's why we are keeping this size of division so that there is no issue. Now click on the fill option, click on the image, click on choose image and choose the 13 image, I guess, which is given on your folder, and make sure it has same width and height like this. So we are just left with the last section. Come on guys, I just said icons, so it will be iconify, right? Just go to plugins and iconify, and you just need to search the icon that you need to import. First icon is home, so just search home. I'll see this one as similar. So this color is different, but we can change it later, or you can take the color you want right here only. So just import that icon. It is imported once this message comes. imported icon. Then the second icon is the user icon. Just search user. You'll get these icons. So just click on any icon that you want. Make sure that these ones are black. Import it. Then third icon is more. Okay, it's more, or you can search for tab. I guess not tab. Okay, we'll go with the three dots only more. Mm, we'll take this one, or you can take any icon you want. Take the three dots one, I guess. Import that icon. Then the fourth icon is cart. Search for cart. Then can choose any and import it. And the last icon we need is, can you name this icon? Can someone tell me the name of this icon? Yeah, hamburger. So it's also important to know the names of the icons, because if you don't know the names, how will you get the icons right?
For the more icon, we can use icon called stack.
Sorry?
For the more icon, the icon name we can use is stack with the search bar. So
Oh, is it?
it is
Yeah,
found.
just give me a minute. I'll search it. Yeah. That's cool. That's cool. So that's what happens if you don't know the name of the icon. So okay. Now there may be an issue that when you have imported your icons, sometimes it goes behind some division. You can see like this. So what we need to do is, uh, for now, just bring this division aside for some time, unless we position these icons. Choose the icon home, or the home. Bring it right here where you want to position it. Click on bring to front. Now the second icon, position it well, then click on bring it to front. Then the third icon, and click bring to front. Okay, so instead of this, guys, you need to search for stack icon, as that guy said. Make sure that all icons are above that section so that they are visible. Now click on it and place it and click on bring to front. So you can see your icons are placed but not uniformly, right? So we need to make it uniform first. See, when you are placing any icon, you will be able to see lines and all that are colored as orange. It will help you to place the icon in center or equidistant in respect to other icons, right? See, for middle of the page, it will show a line vertical. That means it's in the middle of the page. Now this should be equidistant, so both numbers should be visible on its right and left. Now for this, first we'll position this one. Now drag it unless you get both the numbers, that is like this 51 or whatever number you are getting. So I guess these are equidistant to each other. That means your icons are now equidistant and they are in position. Now we just need to add the text. Yes, so for home text, we need to change the font color too. That is going to fill option right here and just click on it and click on green, similar to the icon. So it will become green. You move card. Give it text like you. See, while positioning this text also, it's showing that is it aligned or not. Move. Start. And last one is menu. Right? So now you can see that this part is also done almost. Just check if everything is aligned or not, or has a good height and width. Can change it anytime. And the one division that we had done right here, you can bring it back to its place if you were not able to see the icon. Position it well. So we are done with this design. Post it right here on Behance, where you can see, like, you can also post images of your designs like here I have done. And it's like a social media for freelancers where clients and the service providers are there, who are inspired by each other, or they give work stuff to each other, or they can communicate. So it's a very good website that we can use for freelancing. If you post your works down right here, then many people across the globe can see your designs, and even if they like it, they'll appreciate you, or they can also DM you for any work, or like clients can contact you anytime right here. Kind of designs into HTML CSS codes. Right here you can see this option that is there to change into code. It changes it into HTML CSS code, and it can help you while writing the codes on like any platform like VS Code or something. So first you need to move this file into your personal workspace, so you can move it I'll just name anything. I'll just move to a particular project, newly named, and click on this. So it says that it's going to dev mode. Means now you can extract the codes for this design. So right now we need plugins for code extraction, right? So here you can see Figma to HTML or Figma to HTML, CSS. All these are different plugins that you can use, like the plugins we have or extensions we have in VS Code. So first you need to download these plugins. How to download these plugins is that you can go to plugins right here, right click first, then go to plugins, then manage plugins and search here like Figma to HTML CSS. You can search here, then you can get these plugins right here and you can click on it. You can use it to extract the codes for this design. So it says first you need to select a scene. So for example, I have selected this frame. Now I need to get these uh, frames code. So now I'll right click. First select this frame, then right click, then go to plugins, then go to Figma to HTML and CSS. When you press on it, interface will appear and it will show this kind of stuff. See, you can get codes right here, the CSS code, or you can also change it to any, like you want a code for a button, then you can press on button, then it will give the code for buttons and all stuff. So for this you can go in details. I have posted my UI UX designs right here in my post. So right here you can search this ID and you can contact me anytime. So you can also go through the designs that I have posted in my account. And yeah, that's all for the assignment. And yeah, I will make a post for your feedbacks too. You can give a poll feedback on my LinkedIn post. It might be cropped image, that's why it's bigger, I guess. It's fine.